we have some unbeatable deals on our Ridley road bike range. Save $17.44 on this Ridley Noah Ultegra disc model. This bike here was $4,744 down to $2,999. This bike is a full carbon frame, complete with an integrated carbon handlebar, no cables on show at all, complete with your Ultegra disc group set, 11 speed. Save €2,100 on this Ridley Helium Rival E-Tap model. This bike here is full carbon, complete with your Rival E-Tap electronic group set. That bike there was $5,100 and it's down to $2,999. Another example of a saving to be had is this Ridley Falcon RS. Full spec, complete with your Rival E-Tap group set. This bike consists of a full carbon frame. It's set up on your Forza full carbon rims, your integrated carbon handlebar, which means you have no cables in sight, and lovely flat top handlebar. Your Garmin mount comes complete with this as well. That bike there was €6,700 and is down to €6,200. So there's €500 of saving. Call in store or go online and see our huge range of Ridley road bikes in all different specs and sizes. There's loads of choice and massive savings to be had on the full range. There'll be finance available, bike to work can be used, and we'll get you into a new bike for the new season.